Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager from Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2014 Hino 268 air brake air ride truck. Stock number is 41868 if you'd like to take a look at it on the website. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck, we're going to go over a couple things we do when we bring our used trucks in to make them ready for sale. We bring our trucks in from our customer trade-in or from our leasing department. We weed out the trucks we don't want and wholesale them, keeping only the best trucks for our customers to buy. Once we've done that, we do a 150-point inspection from the cab, the body, brakes, tires, lift gates. Any discrepancies we find, we run them through our medium shop, and then we put them in the body shop. When that's done, we test drive it, make sure everything's good to go, do a little QC to it, clean up, pictures and videos to put online. As we said, this particular truck is a 2014 Hino 268A. It's got the 220 horse diesel. It's got the Allison automatic transmission. It's air brake and air ride. That makes it a little unique. And on top of the 150-point check, we've changed the engine oil and oil filter, the air filter, the fuel filter, and the DPF filter on this truck has been serviced and cleaned. So this truck is ready to go, and it has been pre-qualified for the AGWS extended warranty on it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb up into the cab, you got plenty of grab handles. This particular truck has a captain's chair with the armrest that folds down. It's got an air ride suspension on it. We've got a two-person bench seat so you can have a crew of three. Got a nice perspective out the front windshield, and you can still see fairly close with the slope hood of the Hino. As we did say, it's air brake. It does have air ride suspension. We got the AM/FM CD player, cruise control, and another nice feature that this truck has is power and heated mirrors. So your driver can adjust the top mirrors, not the spot mirrors, but they can adjust the top mirrors from the driver's seat. That's a nice safety feature. And even though this truck is a 2014, it cleaned up really nice. So this will be a good, safe, clean ride for your guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. When you're looking at pre-owned trucks, a lot of times the corner caps are knocked out, the sides are all dented up. This truck's in really good shape. It's a 24-foot Morgan aluminum van body. As we go down the sides, you can still see it's got a lot of rubber. You can see the air brake canisters. We come around the back, you can see the airbags. It's got new mud flaps on it. And this particular truck has got an ICC bumper so you can go dock to dock with it. It's got a stirrup step over here to climb up into the back of the truck. And it's also got this really nice aluminum 13-foot long, 23-inch wide pull-out ramp so you can load and unload with the dolly or carry the boxes. As we said, this is a 24-foot. It's 103 tall, 102 wide, really desirable for hauling freight. It's got the full plywood lining in it. It's got two rows of E-track that go down the side, across the front and back the other side, so you got load bindage all the way around. It's got a really nice aluminum roof, two dome lights, so you can, that early morning, late afternoon deliveries, you can light this thing up. It's got a really nice laminated hardwood floor that's still in really good shape. It's got a lot of life left in it. And it's got the metal scuff on the bottom, so that's nice for running pallet jacks and stuff. You're not going to run through that plywood. Here at Industrial Power, our customers come in looking for box trucks. We got more than box trucks. We got new box trucks and we got the pre-owned box trucks and other trucks to fit your needs. As we say, we got a 24-foot aluminum van body in really good shape, pre-qualified for the warranty. And even though this is a really nice pre-owned truck, we can still wrap this body and the cab if you'd like to, making this thing look virtually brand new. Your name, your graphics, your design, your phone number, driving that business back to you, turning that fuel money into advertising money. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we're putting new videos of new trucks on pretty much every day. Stick with us for a second. We're going to pop the hood. We're going to start this truck up and do a little closer walk around for you so you can see it a little better. And as always, we appreciate your time.